Hey, it's Paul Alex, founder and CEO of Cash5.com, and today we're going to reveal the residual income business that no one's talking about. We've all heard about real estate, stocks, and even e-commerce, but there's an untapped gold mine that allows you to earn passive income every single month without needing massive upfront capital or years of experience. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how this business works, how you can start earning residual income fast, and hear real-life success stories, including how Crystal just closed an auto repair shop that's earning her over $100 a month in residual income. So let's level up. Okay, so imagine this. Every time that someone swipes their credit card at a gas station, coffee shop, or even auto repair shop, you get paid. Sound too good to be true? It's not. This is merchant services, and it's one of the best kept secrets for building wealth. The best part, only about 5% of small businesses in the US use advanced systems like the cash discount program, meaning there's an ocean of opportunity waiting for you right now. Here's the kicker. You don't need a degree, special certification, or a huge marketing budget to get started. All you need is the willingness to learn a proven system, and it's ready for you to go ahead and conquer this. So let me break it down for you. Merchant services is how businesses process credit and debit card payments. Every time a transaction happens, the processing system earns a small fee. So here's where you come in. You help businesses set up their payment systems. You earn a residual income from every transaction they process. For example, a business that processes $20,000 a month in sales, you earn 1%, which is $200 a month, every single month. Now, multiply that by 10 businesses, 20 businesses, or even more. That's the power of residual income. It can add up quickly. Look, if you really want to dominate in this space, the cash discount program is the way to go, all right? So here's how it works. Instead of the business owner paying credit card processing fees, those fees are passed on to the customer who chooses to pay with a card. This saves businesses thousands of dollars annually, making it an easy sell. Now, here's the best part. You still earn residual income every time a customer swipes their card. It's a win for the business, it's a win for the customer, and it's a win for you. So let's talk about Crystal's story for a minute. Let me tell you about how Crystal, who recently signed up an auto repair shop that processes $10,000 a month in sales. This one deal is now earning her over $100 a month in residual income. It's just 1 out of 5 auto repair shops she's closed in the past 2 weeks. What's driving her success? She's passionate about helping small business owners keep their hard-earned money and finds fulfillment in providing real solutions. Now, that is 5 auto repair shops at $500, guys. Like Crystal always says, a little progression each day leads to bigger gains. Her commitment to consistently showing up and offering value is a proof that anyone can succeed in this business. So let's talk about numbers here. Here is an example for a small business. Small businesses usually run around $20,000 in volume, okay? If they're doing around $20,000, you can earn $200 a month in residual income. If it's a medium-sized business will bring in around $50,000 in volume. That means you will earn $500 a month in income. And for a large business, they usually bring around $100,000 in volume. That means in residual income, if you're getting 1% of that $100,000, that is $1,000 a month for you. That's pretty good, right? Now, imagine landing 10 small businesses and 5 medium-sized businesses. That's $5,500 a month in residual income without working overtime or chasing new clients every single month, guys. And look, here's how you could tap into this business today. You can learn the basics, understand how merchant services and the cash discount program work, and you can start prospecting. You can visit your local businesses, introduce yourself, offer them solutions to save money, leverage a proven system that I'm teaching you already. My program provides all the training, the tools, and even guaranteed locations to help you succeed. Now, are you ready to take the next step? You can join my Credit Card Processing for Beginners Facebook group, guys. We host a live webinar every Wednesday at 5 p.m. Pacific Central Time, 8 p.m. Eastern. This is where you'll learn from real success stories just like Crystal and Bryce, get step-by-step guidance, and connect with a community of like-minded entrepreneurs. Look, if you're ready to start building real residual income, hit that like button, subscribe for more no-fluff strategies, and comment below. I want to know, what would you do with an extra $5,000 a month in passive income, guys? This is your chance to tap into the residual income business that nobody's talking about. So let's make it happen and let's level up.